A very warm good morning to all of you presented here and welcome back to our Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center taught by Mr. Vikram sir. First of all, thanks to our Vikram sir because he has given me a golden opportunity in front of you for improving ourselves. So, put your hand together for Vikram sir.
And thank you to all of you for coming and listening our topic because we know that without listener, no value of the speaker.
Yes guys, he's right. And today we have a very interesting topic like always. I hope you like it as well as helpful for us. So today we will discuss about brain drain.
And now, before starting our class, meet myself, I am Jyoti Priya.
And meet myself, I am Vandana Priya.
So let us start our class, but because we know that time and tide wait for none.
So guys, a very important question is arising in my mind. What is brain drain? So Jyoti, can you tell me what is brain drain?
Yes, brain drain means migration of highly qualified expert like a doctor, engineer, and other trained person in developing country to advanced country for searching better lifestyle and good facility. That's called brain drain.
Wow, Jyoti, thanks for giving information. So guys, today we will discuss about disadvantage of a brain drain. So the main measure of a disadvantage of a brain drain is the developing country losing their citizens who have a talent as well as skill personality to develop our country, and developing countries struggle to develop our country. And brain drain is totally bad for our developing country like India, and it is actually bad for our country. And all our backward country are suffering from the brain drain. India is also suffering from the brain drain, and by this brain drain our country can't develop. And in this time you can see in a developing country using our utilization without spending a single money on their training, and it is very bad for us. And by this, and there is no doubt the India have a talent and potential to change our economic condition. Even then they are migrate to another country, but so it is very bad for us. And by this reason we are facing a lots of problem. And do you know guys who person the migrate to another country, they facing a lots of problem. They want to need a money to spend a life in another country, and there is a no safety for living in this another country. So it is very bad. So now I want to say Jyoti, please tell me the advantage of a brain drain.
Yes, the advantage of a brain drain. Developing country offer the better lifestyle and good salary to employees and than the developing country, which is attract the talented person towards the country. And now in the lifestyle of the developed country is also very good, and we develop in the financial and economical also, and in the we can change our lifestyle by the migration like we get a good environment, learn a new language. And in the developing country education system is also very good as per our developing country. Nowadays many person migrate to developed country because all the person want now get a good education, and who you can getting a good platform to show your talent and show your education because of the developed country. And nowadays we can also adopt many types of culture like a western culture like dressing style as well as gender equality and fooding style that is very good for us. And who many person who migrate to another country for taking education, but after completing their education they come back in the mother country and they have a talent to develop our country. That is some advantage of a brain drain. So now Vandana, can you tell what is the cause of a brain drain?
Yes, of course I can tell. There is too much cause of a brain drain. First, there is a lacking opportunity. Yes, friend, as you can see that in many person is uneducated, even educated, and they are living and there are unemployment. And there is a and second there is a and there is lacking facility. Yes, friend, there is a lacking facility. As you can see that in any sector, any government sector, in lab, there is a too much lacking facility, that and that reason they can't research in going on. So it is also cause of a brain drain. And next, the caste reservation. Yes, friend, by the caste reservation, the 50% seated are booked according to the caste, and it is very bad for us, our country. And next and more important, the corruption is every sector. If you go in any country and any sector and any business, any company, then you have to give a then you have to give a handsome right to the any person to get a job and get a admission. So it is very bad for us. So there is a so what should we do for the solution? So can you Jyoti tell me solution?
Yes, I can tell what is the solution of that. That's a problem. We can change the brain drain. We can convert brain drain into brain gain, and we can give a very good facility and to our employees and build a strict rule for the corruption as well as stop the crime. And we can give a good like a lab and their equipment for the employees and scientists. That is a very good for us. And at last I want to tell we should also give a good salary and good lifestyle to employees because by this reason they are the migrate to developed country. Now it's time to end our class, but before ending our class, we would like to say to all, always be happy and cheer up in your life because we know that
Keep the smile,
live the tear,
think of joy,
forget the fear,
hold your love,
live the pain,
be enjoyed guys,
because we know that life is only a few days. Laughing is life.
because God is laughing.